Permanent Christmas lights are an increasingly popular choice for homeowners in Southlake, Texas, who want to enjoy festive holiday lighting year-round without the hassle of annual installation and takedown. These lights add beauty, warmth, and a touch of magic to your home, and when well maintained, they can last for years. However, to ensure your permanent Christmas lights continue to shine bright and function properly, regular maintenance is key. Here are some easy and effective maintenance tips to keep your permanent Christmas lights in top condition. Regularly check for damaged bulbs and wires. One of the most common issues with permanent Christmas lights is that individual bulbs or sections of wiring can burn out over time. It's important to check your lights regularly for any signs of damage, such as flickering lights or dark spots where the bulbs are not lighting up. These problems are often caused by a damaged bulb, a broken connection, or a faulty wire. To fix the issue, start by identifying the damaged section of lights. Replace any burnt-out bulbs with the appropriate type and wattage. If you notice any frayed or damaged wires, it's best to replace them as soon as possible to prevent further issues or electrical hazards. Keeping spare bulbs and wire sections on hand makes this process quick and easy. Keep lights clean and free of debris. Outdoor elements like dust, dirt, leaves, and even bird droppings can accumulate on your permanent Christmas lights over time. Not only can this impact their appearance, but dirt and debris can also cause lights to overheat or short circuit. To prevent this, it's important to clean your lights periodically. To clean your permanent Christmas lights, start by turning off the power and gently wiping down the bulbs and wires with a soft, damp cloth. For stubborn dirt or stains, you can use a mild soap solution or a cleaner designed specifically for outdoor lights. Be careful not to use abrasive materials that could scratch or damage the surface of the bulbs or wires. Additionally, check the area around the lights for any debris like leaves or twigs, and remove them to ensure the lights are not obstructed. Keeping your lights clean will not only improve their functionality but also enhance their appearance, ensuring they look their best year-round. Check for loose connections. Over time, the connections between your lights and the power source can become loose due to weather changes or regular use. Loose connections can cause flickering, inconsistent lighting, or complete power failure in certain sections of your lights. It's a good idea to check the connections at least once a year to ensure they are tight and secure. If you find any loose connections, carefully reconnect them. Make sure that all plugs and connectors are properly seated to ensure a solid electrical connection. Additionally, consider using weatherproof covers for connectors to protect them from moisture and dirt. This simple step can help prevent issues with your lights and prolong their lifespan. Protect your lights during severe weather. Southlake's weather can be unpredictable, with occasional thunderstorms, hail, or high winds. These weather conditions can cause damage to your permanent Christmas lights if they are not properly protected. To prevent damage from severe weather, take the time to inspect your lights before the storm season begins. If you know bad weather is coming, it's a good idea to disconnect the power supply to your lights, especially if your lights are not designed to withstand heavy rain or wind. For lights installed along eaves or gutters, make sure they are securely fastened to prevent them from being blown around or damaged. If you live in an area prone to hail or high winds, consider installing a protective cover over the lights during extreme weather to minimize potential damage. Inspect the power source and extension cords. The power source and any extension cords used for your permanent Christmas lights should also be checked regularly to ensure they are functioning properly. Over time, power outlets and cords can wear out, especially when exposed to outdoor conditions like rain and sunlight. Ensure that the power source for your lights is weather-resistant and securely installed. If you use extension cords, make sure they are rated for outdoor use and are not frayed or damaged. Avoid overloading extension cords, as this can cause overheating and potential fire hazards. If you notice any issues with the power source or cords, replace them immediately to ensure your lights continue to operate safely. Test your lights annually. Before turning on your lights for the first time after a long period of non-use, it's important to perform a test run. This allows you to identify any issues early on, such as dead bulbs, flickering, or sections of lights that are not functioning. Testing your lights annually also helps you catch any potential electrical issues before they become major problems. Turn on the lights and inspect them carefully to ensure they are all working properly. If you notice any issues, address them immediately by replacing bulbs, checking connections, or repairing damaged sections of wiring. By testing your lights each year, you can avoid surprises and keep your holiday season glowing bright. Consider upgrades for long-term durability. As technology advances, so does the quality and efficiency of lighting options. If your permanent Christmas lights are older, it may be worth considering an upgrade to newer, more energy-efficient models. LED lights, for example, are much more durable and energy-efficient than traditional incandescent lights. They also last longer, which means you won't have to replace them as frequently. Upgrading to LED lights can reduce your energy consumption and lower your electricity bills while keeping your home illuminated with vibrant, beautiful lights. Additionally, LED lights are more resistant to weather conditions, making them ideal for year-round outdoor use in Southlake. Conclusion: proper maintenance is key to ensuring that your permanent Christmas lights in Southlake continue to function beautifully year after year. By cleaning your lights, checking for loose connections, protecting them during severe weather, and upgrading to energy-efficient models, you can extend the lifespan of your lights and enjoy a bright, festive home for many seasons to come. Regular maintenance ensures that your outdoor lighting not only enhances your home's curb appeal but also provides security, ambiance, and long-lasting enjoyment for your family and guests.